In the heart of the wild, a quiet river hides a tense standoff. An elephant approaches, longing for a swim. But one obstacle stands in its way, a massive hippo. The hippo eyes the intruder, growling, sizing up this unexpected challenger. With a thunderous splash and a display of raw strength, the elephant makes it clear, this water is now claimed. The hippo, sensing the force before it, slowly retreats, unwilling to test fate. And just like that, the river belongs to the elephant. With grace and authority, it wades in, finally free to enjoy the water, a true master of its domain.